Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing cannabis yet again on this channel. Kind of a hot button issue at the moment, the issue of cannabis and what's going to be happening in the political space with respect to this. I thought of making this video. I've recently been rereading a book. It's called The Fifth Tiger, a study of Thai development policy by Robert J. Muscat. I'll go ahead and throw that up on screen. But yeah, again, The Fifth Tiger here. I've had this book for a little while. And by the way, I bought this book from Canterbury Tales, which is a shop down in Pattaya that sells like used books, and they are a pretty good little shop. If you want to get English language books, they used to be over on Soi Chayapum, sometimes called Soi Pothole, over on near Soi Buakaw. I believe they've moved. I haven't actually been to the new place, but I got this some years back, and yeah, I read it, and I'm sort of rereading it, or just kind of going through it again, because, well, just because I felt like doing it. But I came upon this excerpt from this book. I'm going to go ahead and quote, because I thought when I read it, I thought, man, that just seems to pertain to cannabis right now. Quoting directly, "The principal theories of international trade describe the effects and gains from trade as arising out of the reallocation of domestic factors of production within each trading partner economy, as each responds to the opportunities to focus on its own products of comparative advantage in production cost. The vent for surplus concept, in contrast, describes the process in which an agricultural region with underemployed land and labor applies these underemployed factors to expand production for export without necessarily any change in technology or reallocation of factors in favor of a changed product mix." And when I read that, I thought, there's sort of a notion in strategy or game theory called first mover advantage. When you make the first move, there's that old saying, like in real estate and things, be first, be smarter, or cheat. This is kind of where I think Thailand finds itself at the moment in terms of international trade, in terms of international business when it comes to the issue of cannabis. Cannabis, again, I've said it before and I'll say it again, there were things I agreed and disagreed with in the last government, but cannabis was something that I thought they were very far-sighted on. They saw that, hey, this is an agricultural product. It's like agribusiness, what we call agribusiness back in the United States. And also, by being the first out there to do this, Thailand's cannabis industry could be way further ahead than other jurisdictions with regard to the possibility of exports and things down the road. So this was something Thailand really was on board with, or I shouldn't say on board with, Thailand was really ahead of the game on with respect to sort of looking at this in the sense of kind of like geoeconomics. My hope is, and as I've said in other videos, yeah, regulation absolutely necessary, but not recriminalization. Because again, Thailand has managed to find herself in a position where she could have tremendous comparative advantage in the long term in terms of economics, in terms of her relative position to other countries in the cannabis space.